Morning guys, Mark aka Brick City, welcoming you to the last part of the second set of Lego City 60261. It's quite a nice little set. It's a +4 set, so it's very easy to build. I'm surprised in the last video that we don't have glass on the actual windows, which is a bit weird. So hopefully I'll have some in my spare set, or I'll just order some because it does look a bit silly. I might email Lego, just check on the back of the parts and make sure there's no windows in it. Nope, no small windows, which is really odd. Maybe because it's a 4 set, I don't know. Anyway, let's crack on with the terminal building. We have a figure, the last 6. It's not bad for figures in this set, 6 figures. I'll show you them all in a second when I built this chap. Well, always drop something on the floor. I think I'm going to call myself Dropsy. And he's got a briefcase. This gentleman's got a briefcase. He looks like a businessman, this one. Of course, it's going to have so many minifigures. But that's good, because the city's got to have loads of figures. Why? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. So if I put him on here, he can show you all 6. There's Granny. Oh, Granny in the way. Okay. Has he got a businessman? We've got ground crew. We've got Granny going on holiday. We've got the pilot. Got a tourist with his camera, and the fuel tank driver. That's a nice little 6 figures there. Okay. Need the base. Need the base. Come on, Granny. Have your boarding ticket. I need the space. Off you get. I can put you on the plane if you'll all fit. I'll show you as I do it, guys. So instead of single blocks, which you normally would have, you've got one piece, solid piece. So it's going to have all the doors and windows. So that opens up that way. That opens there. It doesn't open, that's glass. So that on there. Two departure boards. Obviously you have departures at the top, arrivals at the bottom. That's got numbers on. Oh, you can see that properly. There we go. Little tank. Okay, so have that. That goes on the base. So it's going to be a very quick build, guys, so this will finish it off, and then that's all the sets we've got for now till the end of the month. So we've got loads to do in the city, so I'm going to take the rest of the day off and try and put on paper how I'm gonna want the city laid out. Okay. On there. Turn it round. That. Wrong way. So go. secure that in. Top. We're going to have another air traffic control. What I'm going to do is I'll build a slightly bigger one for the main city, and then remove these two little ones. Use the parts. Probably make it a bit bigger. So. Yeah, this is going to look like it's going to be the air traffic control bit. Where's the little... There it is. Little control panel. See that? There we go. Yeah, they use these pieces a lot for the air traffic control buildings, so I think I've got one on my cargo set for the cargo train, and I've put 3 on the other one on the other airport, so I should be able to blend it all in and make one bigger. Do we have a seat for the no, we don't have a seat. Well, not yet, anyway. Too white. Too red. So instead of the radar in the other one, we've got a little... I'm not too sure what that's called. But we'll have to see. That goes up there, and then that goes on like so. So there's the air traffic control. No seat, it's a bit open. It's only half a set, isn't it though? So, okay. So, gate on here, and a gate, just one at the moment. Brick and a green. Oh, this is security. You know when you step through those machines, X-ray machines? This is what this is. So that's going to go there. Oh, this is where your little scanning machine, where when you get to the airport, and you take your jacket off and your belt and your wallet and your tablet, because I'm always carrying my tablet. You put it in your little tray, and then it goes through this machine to check that it hasn't got any naughty objects that you shouldn't be having. So yeah, so it goes through that machine, see? So this will be cool, because the other airport doesn't have this, so it will be cool to blend them both together. So this is got a little picture. There's the X-ray picture. Can you see that, guys? There. So, have a little stall for the security guard. I don't have a security guard, but I'm sure I can find one in all my pieces of minifigures. I think we have a little red on the top. So yeah, so there's security. Hot dog, hot dog. We have an, oh, he's having his break and he's having a hot dog for his lunch. Little hot dog, cute little hot dog. It's a table, not a seat. Plonker, what plonker? That one that side. And then we have that up on this side. Okay. A little seat. Then over there, it's making a rattling noise. Don't do rattling noises. Spotlights. These will be fuel drums for the fuel. Two of those. So I can blend this set with the other set quite easily. Should I put both of those together, or yeah? Because it's fuel, so it needs to be in a proper container. Red on top. So. And then green this side. Lights again. Spotlights for the ground crew. And go like so. Spanner. There we go. That didn't take long at all, guys. So there we have it. There's your little tools for the ground staff. There's fuel tanks for the airplane. And inside we've got security, where you go through here. So the little figure, little Mr. Granny. Let's put Granny through. Let's put Granny through. Take off her boarding pass. So you see this. Gonna walk Granny through the security. She'll fall over because she's drunk. They won't allow her on the plane because she's drunk. And then we need to put her baggage through the scanner. Well, it's not going to fit, it's too big. Let's put the little one through. So we push it through the scanner. And there it goes. So she's gone through security. However, they won't let her on because she's drunk. What silly grandma. So there we go, guys. It gives us a spare hot dog and a spare tap. So yeah. So that is indeed. I'm just upset there's no windows in the aeroplane. So you can see straight through it, and if that went up in the air, yeah, it wouldn't get very far. So, but there we go, there we have it, guys. That's set number 60261. It's a nice small little set, but it'll blend well with my main airport as well. So we've got a smaller plane and we've got security, so I can blend the security with the other departure lounge. So once we go through security, then we can go on to the departures. So yeah, all good. So what to build next? I do have a 3-in-1 creator set, so I've got to go and find that and hopefully get that done probably tomorrow night. It's a little corner cafe set, so I'm not too sure what the set number is, but we'll do that one next. And then yeah, it's building it all. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's Mark, aka Brick City. Like the video if you want to, it would be appreciated, and subscribe even better. I do appreciate everybody subscribing. I've only been doing this for a couple of weeks, and or 2 weeks actually, and yeah, it's going well. Give me any comments, what I can change or do differently. All feedback is useful, because at the beginning I was doing long hour videos, and I was told that they're too long, so I'm now trying to cut them down. Okay, guys, well, you will have a lovely day. I'm off to the circus later, so I'll let you know how that goes, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.